For more than 5 decades, Overfinch has been synonymous with the highest level of Range Rover customization. Known for transforming both modern and classic Land Rovers into rolling works of art, the company is preparing to unveil what promises to be its most ambitious and costly project yet. Slated for release in 2026, this upcoming masterpiece will mark Overfinch's 50th anniversary, serving as both a tribute to its legacy and a bold statement about its future. The project is being developed under Overfinch's Heritage division, which specializes in reimagining classic Range Rovers with a blend of period authenticity and cutting-edge craftsmanship. While details remain closely guarded, one thing is certain. This model will be the most valuable Range Rover Overfinch has ever created. In fact, it may even claim the title of the most expensive Range Rover ever sold. Industry insiders suggest the new project could be based on the first-generation Range Rover, originally produced between 1969 and 1996. That era has become increasingly sought after among collectors, and Overfinch has already proven its ability to turn those classic shapes into ultra-luxurious machines fit for the modern age. The company's previous Field Edition models, priced at over £340,000 or around $457,000, set a high bar, but the upcoming Anniversary Edition could soar past £400,000, equivalent to over $500,000. That puts it in direct competition with Rolls-Royce luxury SUVs and even some mid-engine supercars. What justifies such a staggering price tag is not only exclusivity, but also Overfinch's unrivaled craftsmanship. The brand has always balanced performance, luxury, and bespoke design in ways few others can. Every detail is tailored, from hand-stitched interiors to precision-engineered mechanical upgrades, ensuring that each vehicle is as much an artwork as it is an automobile. For Overfinch's 50th year, expect a celebration of Range Rover heritage executed with the finest materials and the most meticulous attention to detail. The timing could not be more fitting. Overfinch reports that its business is thriving, with strong profits and global expansion in regions such as North America and the Middle East. According to CEO Arthur Silverton, the company remains committed to pushing the boundaries of luxury SUV customization while honoring its history as the original pioneer in this niche. This blend of heritage and innovation will be at the heart of the Anniversary Range Rover. Adding to the excitement, Overfinch has also announced a collaboration with Holland & Holland, the legendary British gunmaker. Together, they will create what is described as the most luxuriously enhanced Range Rover ever built. This partnership highlights Overfinch's intent to elevate its vehicles beyond cars and into lifestyle statements, blending traditional British craftsmanship across industries. With its Anniversary Edition and Holland & Holland collaboration, Overfinch is setting the stage for a year filled with headlines. The new model is not simply a car, it is a collector's piece, a celebration of automotive history, and a showcase of British engineering at its finest. As Overfinch prepares to reveal more details leading up to 2026, anticipation is building worldwide among collectors and enthusiasts alike. The most expensive Range Rover ever built is not just about price. It represents a milestone in automotive customization, where heritage meets modern luxury at the highest level. Overfinch's 50th anniversary project will ensure that its name continues to stand as the benchmark for bespoke Range Rover design, cementing its place in history as the ultimate SUV customizer.